In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check friend requests on Duolingo. If you've ever wondered where those follow requests are hiding, don't worry, we'll walk through it together so you know exactly where to look and how to manage them right inside the Duolingo app. Start by opening the Duolingo app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load fully. It helps to be on a reliable internet connection, and using the latest app version keeps the screens looking just like what you'll see here. Also, make sure you're signed into the account you normally use, so you're seeing the right friends and followers. Once you're in, look to the bottom of the screen for your avatar, the small circular profile picture icon on the navigation bar. Tap that. This takes you to your profile area where you usually see things like your streak, your current courses, and social options tied to your account. On the profile screen, find the section labeled Followers and tap it. This is the place where your incoming friend activity appears. If you have pending requests, they show up at the top of this list, typically with clear options to confirm or ignore. Tap through to a person's profile if you want to double check who they are before making a choice. If the list is empty, that simply means there are no new requests at the moment, but you'll still see anyone who already follows you. While you're here, you can also check following to review the people you've chosen to follow. This is helpful if you want to make sure you're connected to classmates, study partners, or anyone you like comparing progress with. It keeps your social feed tidy and ensures you're seeing the updates that motivate you. And from this same area, you can add friends. Look for the option on the screen to add or find friends, then use it to search for someone by their username or pick from the suggestions Duolingo shows you. Adding the people you study with can make streaks and weekly goals more fun and accountable. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap your avatar at the bottom, go into followers to review any requests, switch over to following if you want to see who you're connected with, and use the add option whenever you're ready to bring more friends into your learning journey. If something doesn't look right, try refreshing the page or updating the app, and you'll be good to go.